Do you own an EGO ride-on mower? If so, the fun and utility doesn't have to end there. EGO actually offers a whole host of accessories for the ride-on mowers. Today, we're gonna check out 3 of my favorites. Well, there you have it, guys. Those are my favorite accessories for the EGO ride-on mowers. Now, don't just buy these accessories because they look awesome. Trust me, they're also very useful. If you want to learn anything more about these EGO accessories, I got you covered because there's a link right down there. I'll have a few links to all these products so you can go and check them out yourself. And when you're done with that, guys, you don't have to rush anywhere because I got another video that you're going to want to see, an overview of the EGO ZTR, and it's sitting like right there. Check that out too.